Good morning. Let's eat breakfast and drink coffee. It's Sunday. It's a family day. Enjoy your day with your family. My hair is hard to comb. I wake up 6:30. Today is Sunday. It's very hot outside. You see the sun is there. I'm here inside the house because it's so hot outside. The temperature outside is very hot. Yeah, I'm gonna drink coffee before I take a bath. My breakfast is pandikoko and turon. Yesterday, I'll pass by in the Manila Bakery near Alwada. And I walking from there, coming home. After church service. But our church is in Alcobayrat, opposite of British School, the evangelical building. At night, I'm walking from Alwada coming here because the morning I won't be able to go walking because it's so hot already. At 7 o'clock, the temperature is so high. The summer was started already. This hot temperature is until September. It's hard to go out of the house.